Okay, now we're going to use factoring to simplify more complicated expressions, and we factor and we cancel, and we use the laws of the nature of arithmetic, just of fractions, just the principles of fractions and how they work, and to figure everything out. So let's just do it. Okay, 4.1 here. What is in both of these things? Always look for a common factor, and it's AB goes into the top. In the bottom, A is here. So AB times A gives me A squared B. AB times minus 1 gives me that. A times A gives me A squared. A times minus 1 gives me minus A. Well, that's really good because A minus A divided by A minus A is 1. And A divided by A is 1. So they cancel. We factor and we cancel the things divided by each other that are equal 1, and we're just left with B. Here we're going to factor every single thing we see here. So we're going to put a bracket and go x plus 1, x minus 2. Why does that work? We've got x squared, we've got minus 2x plus 1x. That gives me the minus x, and 1 times minus 2. There we go. This is the difference of squares. X plus 2, x minus 2. It multiplies out to give you the x squared minus 4. And the outside and inside here, they cancel. So that's why it works. On the top here, we've got x times x plus 1. Because x is in both of these, and x is in both of these. So we have x plus 2 here. Now you have to know how fractions work. When you divide by a fraction, you tip and times. So we turn this upside down, but we can see that x divided by x is 1, so it leaves. And x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, it's also just equal to 1. So we have x plus 1 over x plus 2 times x plus 2 over x plus 1. Well, these is exactly the same thing in the top as there is in the bottom, so it all cancels. And the whole thing just equals 1. Let's try this last question. The first thing here, I think I just factored the bottom. And now I'm looking at this here, and I'm saying to myself, I can't combine these fractions because they don't have a common denominator. What's missing here? If there was an x minus 7 here, times x plus 7, then I could combine the fractions because they'd have a common denominator. See, it's all about fractions and how do they work. So all I have to do is multiply the top and bottom here by x minus 7. Now they've got a common denominator. I can write it down once, and then I can write it down once, and then I can combine the top. X minus 7 minus x plus 7. Well, I'm going to have x, and then minus x. I'm going to have minus 7 minus another 7. Well, x minus x, that's easy to work out. That's just 0. But minus 7 is minus 14. Now you could put the minus 14 up here. I like to put it in front of the fraction. It's negative 14 over x minus 7 times x plus 7. I guess you could write x squared minus 49. It'd almost look a little simpler, but there it is. There's the question all worked out.